Ezra, nitafutie tu bedroom na ispite 20k. We have exactly that today. So folks, you are watching Ezra Ondara TV. My name is Ezra Ondara. Sasa niko hapa White House in Nakuru, alright? White House, okay? Na kama unataka kujua White House vizuri, just go to Nakuru Beyond the City episode 9 na utaweza kuona pale White House. Sasa hapa White House tuko na 2 bedroom ya 17k. Can you imagine 2 bedroom ya 17k iko kwa a newly built apartment. Okay, nimesema iko kwa, it is not one, it is a newly built apartment with 2 bedroom units, okay? Now, hapa hivi on each floor we have how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 6 units on each floor, okay? Na ziko na plan tofauti, alright? They have different plans. Every unit you go inside unapata kwamba plan ndani ni tofauti. Kuna zile unapata iko na sitting room kubwa, ingine sitting room si kubwa vile, okay? Ingine iko na kitchen kubwa, ingine there is even one which has a laundry room, okay? A separate laundry room. So ziko na plans tofauti, and I've thought, you know what, let me just share to you, kwa wale ambao mnatafuta 2 bedroom under 20k, this one ya 17k is a great option, alright? So without further ado, wacha tuanze kuchambua hapa mambo yake, alright? So the lounge, vile nimesema, kila unit, okay, ziko na lounge tofauti, okay, sitting room tofauti, that is in terms of space, that is, okay, especially, okay, now za katikati the sitting room zake ziko more square na they are actually the smallest, okay, but zile za kwa corner kule the lounge ingine unapata ni rectangular, okay, na yeah, they are very spacious, okay, hizo ambazo ziko kwa corner, alright? So, kutoka hapo, the kitchen hapa, pia, like I've said, you know, this apartment nilishindwa sasa, okay, ni unit gani la ambayo ndo nitatumia. So, nimesema, let me just, you know, show you, okay, show you a sneak peek of at least, you know, 3 different rooms so that unaweza pia jiamulia pale. Otherwise, pale jikoni, they have put, the socket ya kuka pale, alright? Kuna decent countertop space, okay? A decent amount of storage, okay? It is not the most spacious of kitchen, but at least, okay, for what you pay for at 17, you get that size of house, alright? So out of the kitchen, kuna balcony pale, alright? So depending again ni side gani umechukua, your views will be different, okay? Kutoka hapa kwa balcony, but the balconies ziko kwa jikoni. Jikoni ndo ziko na balcony. So depending jikoni yako iko wapi, your surrounding views zitakuwa tofauti. Alright? Now, inside the bedrooms, now, before we go to the bedrooms, hapa hivi, they have a common toilet and bathroom, but they are in separate rooms, alright? Zote ziko hivo. Now, I noticed another one ambayo they are in separate rooms, but at different spots, okay? Not like this one ambayo zimeshikana but separate doors. Folks, like I told you, this house, the way it was designed, wali make sure ime fit your ploti na itoe the number of units maybe ambazo walikuwa wanataka. Okay, so now away from the toilets, the bedrooms hapa hivi kuna zile ambazo zinatoshana. The units za katikati unapata kwamba the bedrooms, the master and the guest bedroom, which means you can decide which is the master and the guest, they are more squares, zinatoshana. But I noticed you can only do up to a 5x6 bed, okay, in these bedrooms, nothing more than that, okay. But the corner again, they have larger bedrooms, okay. Just see this one hapa, for example. Look at this bedroom. This is a huge bedroom, rectangular shape, okay. So hapa hivi you can sunda your 6x6 bed vizuri. And even, okay, maybe if you work from home, you can also have a small desk hapo kako kakufanyia kazi. Sawa. So just like I said, the units hapa hivi zina vary. So ukikuja in this apartment, okay, right here at White House, sasa jameni wewe ndo utatembea units zote uamue ni gani. But my favorite ni hii ambayo iko kwa corner, okay. It has a big master bedroom, a decent size guest bedroom, okay. Hapa where you can slot a 4x6 vizuri na uko na more space to move around. All right. And the lounge is large enough, the kitchen is spacious enough, lakini za katikati for me I felt they are quite on the smaller side.
by the way, they have a bed sitter on the rooftop, okay? And this bed sitter, ule ambayo watapata this bed sitter for 8,000 Kenya shillings, and there are more bed sitters kule chini on the ground floor, but my favorite bed sitter again is this one here on the penthouse. Umepatiwa special treatment, just you alone on the penthouse. Wow. And the views kutoka hapa nje, they are really good. Just imagine living at a penthouse na watu wengine wanaishi kwa 2 bedroom wako chini yako. That is special treatment for sure. So 2 more bed sitters on the ground floor, and the parking now I feel it is sufficient. Okay, the parking now is sufficient. They have plenty of water, these guys. Okay, maji iko, by the way, maji nayo iko. So kila mtu ako na mita yake, you'll be paying. Okay, as per usage. Electricity again is token. You know, you folks, you ask me these things. Stima ni token, maji iko. Maji unalipa ni mita ama ni namna gani? So you have known that. Internet nayo utakuja ujiekee yako. Okay, TV kuna tu ile ya aerial, lakini sasa ukitaka maybe DSTV na other premium services pia utajiekea, but for 17,000 Kenya shillings, again like I told you, you get what you pay for. All right, so up to that point my number is on the screen. If you want me to help you, especially wale ambao they are coming out of Nakuru, you know, they are like, "Hey Ezra, White House ni wapi? Miss you White House." You know, I tell someone you can get this 2-bedroom at Naka. They're like, "Where is Naka?" Okay, so for those ambayo, you know, you need my assistance to locate this apartment, my number is right there on the screen. So up to that point, see you in the next one. You have been watching Ezra Ondara TV. Remember, when it comes to house hunting in Nakuru, Ezra Ondara is the way, the truth, and the only way. There is yummy. That's just how it is. Aya, see you in the next one.